Hey guys, in this video we're going to talk about the 5 best businesses to start online right now. And I've got a business included here that has been on my mind a lot lately, and it's been around for a long time, but I don't hear a lot of people talking about it. So this is in some way a continuation of a video I made yesterday talking about local lead generation, but we're going to go into a little more detail and give you some other options here. Just while I'm thinking about it, if you saw the video from yesterday, I was out here sitting at basically the same spot, and it was snowing like crazy. And today it's beautiful and sunny, and it's not snowing. So once again, that's weather in North Carolina. I've had people approach me online and also at some of the seminars that I give in person, asking, what's the best business to get into right now? And I have a little bit different perspective on things than some other people do. Honestly, there are a lot of people online talking about starting Amazon stores or eBay stores or Shopify stores, and there's nothing wrong with any of those things. I participate on all those platforms, but if you're going to start and you really don't have a lot of money to work with, affiliate marketing is probably your best bet. But I'm going to turn things around a little bit and say local lead generation. And the reason I'm going to do that is because for me, the process I use to do affiliate marketing is very similar, almost identical to the process that I use to do local lead generation. And in fact, my websites that I use to generate leads for local merchants and local service providers act as affiliate websites as well. So while you may not see the immediate results you would hope to see if you were selling something on Amazon or eBay, what you will see is a site that tends to get better and better over time, and better, I mean more effective and makes more money for you over time. With the local lead generation, what you would do is set up a website and say you're going to promote a local dentist office. You'd have some way of tracking the contacts that you accumulate via your website. But on your website, you're also going to have affiliate links for things that are dentistry related: electronic toothbrushes, teeth whitening systems, the bite blocks you use to keep from grinding your teeth or you keep from snoring. There's a whole world of products out there that you can market via affiliate links off the same website that you're using to generate leads. And local lead generation, for those of you that don't know, or for those of you that are new to the idea of generating leads locally, it's extremely lucrative. A dentist, an orthodontist in particular, will pay you hundreds of dollars for a qualified lead, and that is a particular type of lead that fits a particular demographic that they're looking for. But they'll pay you a couple of $100s for almost any lead. The same can be said of chiropractors, certain types of attorneys. There are a number of professional service providers out there that understand the concept of the lifetime value of a client, and if you bring them a qualified client, they will pay you handsomely for those leads. So I'm going to have more videos about local lead generation and get into more detail, because it's something that I've been involved with now going back 16 or 17 years. I've made very good money doing local lead generation, and some of the places I made money on, or some of the services and some of the businesses I worked with and made money with 12 and 15 years ago, are not really good avenues to pursue at this point in time, but then there are new ones that have taken their place. And since I'm still involved with this is something that I think it's worthwhile to pass along. It's very easy to start. It's low maintenance once you have your website set up, and you can really boost the returns and the speed of the returns with a combination of paid advertising and good organic search engine optimization for these websites. And once you get a following on a website, it really is a hands-off passive income opportunity where your website may only need a minor adjustment or a tweak every few months or maybe every year. I did a video totally unrelated to this a few months ago, and where I talked about having a website, a local lead generation website focused on a community in the Atlanta suburbs that I had not touched in almost 3 years, and it was consistently generating about $600 or $700 a month in affiliate income. And quite honestly, I'd forgotten I had it. We couldn't figure out where this money was coming from, and in the process of doing my quarterly taxes, my bookkeeper found that it was going into an account that flowed from this website that had literally not been touched since like 2013 or early 2014. So it just goes to show you, I mean, nothing offers you an opportunity for passive income like having a website that makes money when you've completely forgotten that you have the website. That's pretty good. Keeping in mind the title of this video, the 5 best businesses to get into. I've done enough videos about Shopify and eBay and Amazon. Amazon itself is going to get a lot more attention from me here over the next couple of months as I produce more training, because there's at least half a dozen ways you can interact with Amazon and make money. Amazon FBA is not the only way of doing business. There are a lot of possibilities to work with Amazon. My experience has been that they're a great organization to work with. You can trust them. They pay you on time, and they pay you reliably. So I'm all about doing business on Amazon, as I have been now for almost 20 years, I guess. Shopify is a great way to do it as well. Opportunities there to make a lot of money. Again, your ability to write ads and to properly target those ads is really the controlling factor, the limiting factor in doing business on Shopify. And over time, as questions come in and as people share their experiences, we'll address these things very directly and in great detail. I have a lot of information to share, but I wanted to get this out there now because I know a lot of people are looking for opportunities to maybe start at the end of the school year. The younger folks out there who watch my channel, high school students, college students who are looking for something to work on maybe towards the end of the year or into their summer break. Setting up a local lead generation site is not a bad idea. You can get a nice site set up and running probably for less than $50, certainly for less than $100. You'll find that it's an easy sell talking to potential clients, whether it be a dentist or a chiropractor or some of the other people I've mentioned. It's a pretty easy sell because they're only going to pay you when you produce a lead that meets their qualifications. So it's really a no-cost option to them, and it's just an easy sell. So anyway, just want to leave those ideas with you, let you start thinking about it. If you have questions, please leave them in the comment section below. And if you have not done so already, hit like and subscribe, and we will be back with more information soon.